Imagine you are merging onto the freeway. You press the gas pedal expecting the car to shift up and cruise, but instead, the engine just roars louder and louder while your speed barely climbs. That is the sinking feeling of a transmission that refuses to engage Gear 5. If you have plugged in your scanner and found the code P074D, you're dealing with a communication or mechanical breakdown where your car's brain, the transmission control module, cannot get the gearbox to lock into fifth gear. This is a generic code, meaning whether you drive a Ford, an Audi, or a Nissan, the logic is similar, though the fix might vary. Your automatic transmission is an incredible piece of engineering, using hydraulic pressure and solenoids to shift gears so you do not have to. When this code pops up, the computer has detected that the expected gear ratio for fifth gear just is not happening. Now, I have to be honest with you. This is a moderately high severity issue. You do not want to keep driving like this. Ignoring it could turn a fixable repair into a full transmission replacement, costing you a fortune. You might notice the check engine light, obviously, but also look out for red puddles under the car, a burning smell, or the car feeling like it has no power. So what can you do before going to a mechanic? Start with the basics. Pop the hood and check your automatic transmission fluid level. If your car has a dipstick, check it while the engine is idling on a flat surface. Is the fluid bright red, or is it dark and smelling like burnt toast? Low or dirty fluid is often the main culprit. If the fluid level is fine, take a peek under the car for any damaged wires going to the transmission, especially if you've driven over rough terrain. Sometimes it's just a corroded connector. If you're handy with a scanner, check if the computer is commanding the gear, but the transmission is not listening. But seriously, if the fluid is clean and full and the wiring looks good, get this to a pro immediately because your transmission is crying for help.